Worried about the Device Manager Library DLL causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. Before we dive into the Device Manager Library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Device Manager Library, the library responsible for the user interface of the Windows Device Manager snap-in. It manages the enumeration of hardware categories and the rendering of the device tree. If missing, the Device Manager will fail to open from the control panel, or it will display as a blank MMC window with a snap-in failed to load error message. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Device Manager Library DLL. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Device Manager Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like Device Manager Library DLL in your System32 folder. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Device Manager Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Device Manager Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.